Hello, happy Sunday. Oh my goodness. First things first. Thank you all for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'm up at about 127 or 28 people that are subscribed, and I'm really grateful for that. I'm a very beginner. My channel is all about educating people on the work that I do and stuff like amplifiers. This is a 1955 Montgomery Ward model 8439, and I'm playing a Les Paul, a real Gibson Les Paul. Wait, there's no sound. Oh. It works. You may recall I've done a video of this amplifier several weeks back, or a few weeks ago. What we had on this thing was the 6X5 GT rectifier tube was unfortunately damaged, and it was an original, I believe, and it had just failed. We have done a complete recap on this amplifier. We have discovered one more small issue that we're going to solve hopefully today. It's Sunday. What is it, the 31st? No, it's the 1st of September. Welcome to September. So here's our problem. So this is a vibrato switch, and it has a foot switch, which we bypassed. We didn't bypass the switch, but we plugged a cable into it to see if the symptom disappeared by using the foot control. And this is what happens when the vibrato is turned on. As you turn the vibrato strength up, the amp volume dies down. With the switch, with the control knob turned off, it comes back on. Now, this could be something as simple as the potentiometer being bad. I'm going to clean that first. There are some original caps in the circuit up in this portion of the amplifier, and we may end up having to switch a couple of those out, but my journeyman, Mr. Stu Hensley, will be in here at noon today to help assess and diagnose what's going on with this. I came in a little early so I could work on this amplifier without interruptions. No phones ringing or customers coming in that I need to help. So here I go. Peace, y'all. Have a wonderful Sunday. Woo!